dropping temperatures.
Yes, we are, and that is leading to that freezing line, Perry, moving further and further to the south and to the east. This is as of 11:35, so right now, and you can see that wintry precipitation from Upshur to Smith County to Cherokee County pointing off to the west. Let's go ahead and enhance this radar look. This is the data we have from the Fort Worth radar site, so it is about 100 miles away from places like Van Zant County, and there it is, some freezing rain being detected. This is actually transitioning more over to a sleet, even a snow mixture now for Henderson and Van Zant County. So any of those little bridges that cross Interstate 20 there, if you're planning on taking some back roads, those are likely not as treated as what I-20 is. So be careful on all the roads in the counties, especially those bridges and overpasses, which there could be black ice forming on it. Black ice meaning you can't really see it on those bridges and overpasses. Now, off to the west, that is where we do have a little bit of sleet and snow falling across Hopkins County, and that's made things very hazardous along Interstate 30. So if you're traveling up to Sulphur Springs, first off, if that's in your future, I highly recommend canceling that trip this afternoon or evening, because conditions are just going to get worse because we've got more precipitation on the way and things are just not really improving. Now, it's been very interesting in sections of Smith County because I just stepped outside and it looks like we have more of a sleet and snow mixture now as opposed to a freezing rain and sleet mixture just outside of our KETK studios on the Loop in South Tyler. So we'll continue to track that, but road conditions are going downhill, but conditions are okay in Deep East Texas, where we do have rainy areas in parts of Nacogdoches and southwestern Shelby County. Here are those road temperatures. We're generally in the 20s and lower 30s. This is where the problems are going to rise. Anywhere along into the west of Highway 271 and Highway 69. That's where the colder roads are, and that's where we're seeing problems as far as icing goes. And temperature-wise, we are in the 20s and 30s right now. Taking you hour by hour over the next several hours. By noontime, we're still seeing that frozen precipitation. But by 2, we start to see the back edge of the precipitation moving through our western counties. It will come to an end very quickly from west to east this afternoon. By 4, 5 o'clock, most of it's done for our central areas, but temperatures will continue to fall as we head into tonight. You see those blue arrows on the screen. That is our forecast model trying to pick up some strong northwesterly winds. Meteorologist Andrew Samet joins me to talk more about how cold it's going to feel tonight. Andrew?
All right, Carson. So wind chills right now at this time are already dropping into the teens in places like Athens, Mineola, and Sulphur Springs. We've got wind chills down into the lower 20s in Athens, Tyler, Palestine, Jacksonville, Crockett as well. Longview and Gilmer, your wind chills now down into the mid-20s. Now keep in mind the bridges and overpasses can feel these wind chills because the bridges are exposed to the winds on all sides of it, so they can cool off faster even if the air temperature is just above freezing. So bridges and overpasses certainly the most slick. But as we head throughout the rest of today, we could see wind chills dropping down into the single digits in some spots. Here's 7 o'clock in the evening. Futurecast wind chills bringing those wind chills down to about 8 degrees as far south as Crockett. And even in Nacogdoches and Lufkin, you can see those wind chills dropping into the teens. As we head towards the early morning hours on Friday, not entirely out of the question that we could see some wind chills below 0, especially the further west you go across the area. I think for the most part that we stay above the 0-degree mark, but certainly either way it's going to be very cold. We're going to see the cold air continue into your Friday morning with wind chills likely into the single digits and teens. Carson, back to you.
Okay, so just a quick 15-second recap here. The freezing line, it continues to move further to the southeast, and that trend will continue, and that will cause our roads to become hazardous and icy. And as Andrew just mentioned, it gets bitterly cold overnight tonight, meaning wind chill values are likely in the single digits. Let's talk about the next 7 days, because there is light at the end of the tunnel, both figuratively and literally. Literally, we've got sunshine in the forecast Saturday and Sunday, upper 30s to the upper 40s, both Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, plenty of sunshine in the area. And if you live in Deep East Texas, you're wondering, well, where's all the ice? Where's all the snow? You're not going to see much of it today. You might see a little bit of a wintry mix this afternoon. However, temperatures will climb above freezing tomorrow, so whatever does fall will melt very quickly. Corinne, Perry?
Thank you, Carson and Andrew. Great job working hard in the storm.